You are welcome back to my channel once again. On this video, I'm going to show you online work opportunities that you can apply and start making money from home right now. Everything is so basic, it does not require any technical skills, it's available worldwide, and the best part of this video is that I'm going to show you a software that will do all the work for you. This means that you are just going to apply, get approved, and you are going to start making money from home without actually doing the work. So now let's get into the details. But if you are new and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So this is the website that we are going to be talking about today, Hisense.com. This website provides a lot of online job opportunities that you can apply and get hired to work from home. As you can see, this website, they have about 244,388 workers. You can see they have more than 15,000 clients. You can see they have won about 83 global awards. They are also trusted by, you can see, big companies like Ubisoft, BMW, you can see IKEA, Taylor, and many other companies. So this is a legit website that you can find a job to work from home. So I'm going to show you the simple way that you can do this. So when you come here, you can see all current open. So you are going to click on this button to find the job opportunities that are available right now. So you are going to click on all current openings. Now you can see these are the job opportunities that are available right now. You can see they have typing jobs. You are going to earn $4 up to $6 per page that you type. You can see proofreading jobs. You are going to earn $5 to $10 per page, and you can see the work that you are supposed to do, just checking for spelling and grammatical errors. You can see they have paid surveys. You can earn from $5 to $50 per survey that you complete. When you come here, you can see they have graphic designing jobs. You can earn from $15 to $40 per assignment. You can see they have PowerPoint presentation. So what you are just going to be preparing PowerPoint slides, adding proper animation and sound effects. You can earn $3 per slide that you create. You can see spreadsheet entering job. You can earn from 2 cents to 4 cents per cell that you create. So when you scroll down, you can see there are many more job opportunities here. You can see voice recognition jobs. You are going to earn from $15 to $40 per assignment. You can see this one right here, online advertisement. You are going to earn 5 cents per every ad that you post. Language translation jobs. You are going to earn from $10 to $30 per page. As you can see, these are opportunities that you can apply to make money from home. So on this video, we are going to be applying for proofreading jobs. So as you can see, the work that you are required to do is very simple. As you can see here, checking for spelling and grammatical errors. I'm going to show you a website that will do all the work for you. So just follow me step by step till the end so that you get to know what to do with this kind of job. So what you are going to do is that you are going to open the proofreading job. So you click on that. Once you open the proofreading job, you can see they have full-time and part-time remote positions. So you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the technical requirements. You can see minimum 16 years old and above. You can see a desktop or laptop PC, carrying reasonable hardware configurations. You can see Microsoft Office installed on your working PC. You can see Reliance Internet connectivity. You can see you also need to have a mobile phone, as you can see right here. The next requirement you can see, that is skill requirements. Here you are just going to skip this requirement because you are not going to be doing the work by yourself. You are going to use a free software to do this. So what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to come right here, apply to be an online proofreader. So you are going to click on that. Now what you are going to do right here is that you are going to submit your application. Before you submit your application, you can come here and read the hiring process so that you can submit a useful application that will get their approval very fast. Once you read the process that you have to pass through to submit your application successfully, you can then come to step 2 and then submit your application, and then you are going to complete a sample project. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to just come to submit job application so that I'll show you what to do. As you can see, points to keep in mind. Application requirements vary depending on the career area you are viewing. As a minimum age requirement, you must be at least 16 years of age. So if you are 16 years or above, you can apply for these jobs. So as you can see, there are many more that you can read about, and then you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to come right here, apply now, so that you can now proceed to the application process. As you can see, this is the application form, and you are now going to fill your details. So you are going to enter your username, your first name, last name, age, you are going to come here and then enter your age. When you enter your age, the next thing is that you are going to enter your email, your password. You're going to confirm your password. Once that is done, you're also going to come here and then select notice period. You are going to select immediately, so that as soon as there's a job opportunity, you are going to get notice immediately. So when you come here, which position are you interested in? You are going to come right here, select proofreading. The next thing is that you are going to select your country right here. Once you select your country, the next thing is that your current work status. So here you are going to select freelancer so that they will know that you are available for any job that you are assigned to do. So you are going to come here, select freelancer. Once you select freelancer, the next thing is that you are going to write brief sentence about yourself. This is the most important aspect of the application because this information will determine whether you'll be hired or not. So you are going to provide them vital information about yourself so that you can get the job. So I have some information for you. I'm going to show you so that you can copy the same thing and then change it a little bit so that it can suit your purpose. So let me read it for you to see. As you can see, this information is about myself, so I'm going to leave it in the description box for you to copy. So as you can see, this is a vital information that you can provide about yourself. So you are going to tell this website your experience in writing. You are also going to tell them what you are capable of doing. So as you can see here, my name is Jacob. I am a freelance content writer with extensive experience in writing blogs, web content, and SEO articles. I've written blog posts for more than 35 different sites ranging from health to technology. I've also been writing web content since 2015, which includes articles, press releases, product descriptions, and PDFs. In addition to that, I've also implemented SEO components on my clients' websites such as meta titles and descriptions. This is a brief information about yourself that you can copy and paste onto the website and you are going to get hired. So you have to change it a little bit because a lot of you are going to copy the same thing, so you have to rephrase some of the sentence so that it can suit your purpose. So what you are going to do is that you are going to copy this sentence. Once you have those information about yourself, you can come to the website and then paste it here. So as you can see the content here. So the next thing is that you are going to come right here, select your gender, and you are going to click on register. Once you submit your application, if you get approved, they are going to send you files so that you can start doing your proofreading and you are going to earn money per every page that you complete. So you are going to use this particular free software to do it, reverso.net. When you search for this website, you can find it on Google and you are going to use this website to do the proofreading for you. Proofreading is about checking grammar and then spelling. This website can do everything for you. So you are going to use this website to do all the work. When your client sends you a file, you can use this website to do everything. So let me just type in some wrong sentence and it will rephrase it for you to see. Let me say I am going to school. So as you can see, this is not correct English. So what we are going to do is just come here, click on check. As you can see, it has checked, and then here is the correction. I am going to school. You can come here to click on rephrase to rephrase whatever that you want. So as you can see, I am on my way to school. I am in school now. So you can use this particular tool to do the proofreading and you are going to be earning money once you complete any given task. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.